The Overview tab is where you'll find basic participation statistics about your exchange, including the number of people who have participated, the number of thoughts they've shared, and the number of ratings they've provided. Something to keep in mind is that not every participant will participate in every step of an exchange. It's a wide open process. Just because somebody doesn't have their own thoughts to share doesn't mean they can't provide meaningful ratings on the thoughts that other participants have entered into the exchange. Likewise, just because somebody doesn't want to rate the thoughts that others have provided doesn't mean they don't have their own important feedback to share. Some participants will also just want to go into the Discover step to see which thoughts and ideas have risen to the top of the conversation. They might not share or rate any thoughts. As a consequence, you want to pay attention to your overall numbers, but also the participation statistics for each step. The Overview tab also allows you to check in on any survey questions you've asked. You'll be able to see the proportion of participants that fall into each of the different categories for the different questions. And if you've allowed participants to share and rate thoughts in different languages, you'll be able to see a breakdown of the different language participation here as well. You can explore help articles related to this and other features by clicking the Help widget button right here on the Discover dashboard. This feature allows you to read articles, watch videos, search for other topics, and even submit support tickets if you have questions. If you'd like to learn more about any of the features on the Discover dashboard, check out our help site at get.thoughtexchange.help. We have videos about each of the different features. You can also reach out to our support team directly at help@thoughtexchange.com. I hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging.